Peekaboo! Peekaboo! Peekaboo!
Golden retrievers were bred in cooler climates, so snow instantly sends them into zooming mode.
What are you?
Magdi ko naman. Ako lang ko nila na.
Their mission in life is to ensure that everything around is completely out of order.
I'm not here myself. I told you 3:10, not 3:07.
Cats and babies can be way closer and more compatible than you think. See ya!
It's okay.
Every baby goat has two hobbies: exploring the world and taste testing anything.
What's wrong?
I was in my seat.
Is somebody else in your seat?
Yeah, Bo was in my seat. I can sit till Bo was in my seat.
我吃饱了，消完了，说厕所了。
Start annoying you, boy.
A gente já fez, né? No ano passado deu tudo certo.
If you aren't rowing at his preferred speed, the captain will be mad.
Put the goat down! Drop the goat! Oh my gosh.
When regular pets just don't hit the spot anymore, Bro turned a household chore into self-care.
Come on, bath time right now. Let's go take a bath. You stink. Come on, don't you hide behind Mom. Come on, bath time. Let's go.
Curiosity turned into a full emergency evacuation. The toy moved and instantly unlocked survival instincts.
Yeah. Alright. Camera shy? No, maybe on this side.
Once a puppy identifies something, it will absolutely refuse to let go.
Yeah.
That drool has been frozen in time for minutes.
No need for any fancy ice rink or skating shoes. He's scored a 10.
Allá, camínale. ¿Dónde está Pablito? Enséñale, Pablito. ¡Ay, me da miedo, Pablito! No hace nada.
The kangaroo decided this man is now his personal snack dispenser.
Martin. Bring.
You guys are weirdos.
Squeak, come on. Squeaky, come on.
A sassy kiddo needs a friend who's kind like this puppy.
Stop! Oh my god!
I bet the bush is being so dizzy right now.
Hey friends, we've got some hilarious animal moments waiting for you. Let's get started.
Are you bringing that to me? Can I have it? I'm coughing in my hair.
Men Gunnar! Var är då min häst?
Hello, baby. Hi, baby. Oh, AJ. Yeah. Oh, so cute, dude. Come on.
Everyone deserves to be warmed, even the light bulbs.
Jump. Go. Go, baby, jump.
No wonder my dog wants to stay with Grandpa.
นะครับเด็กดื้อทำจานแตกครูโฟเมื่อกี้ทำอะไรใครทำจานแตก
When you see something scary, just cover your eyes and poof, it's gone.
Careful.
Mindy, let go. Let go of my duvet. Let go. Let go. Come on, let go.
That's not a toy. That's a tree. Oh my God.
At this point, it's personal.
Oh my God, help me.
From the puppy's perspective, this was a success.
These goats still haven't figured out why I don't eat grass.
What is that? Got it.
Proof that raccoons are gangsters of the streets.
They're in the water.
Looks like Buddy's teasing Bestie on the leash disguised as companionship, but hard to prove it.
Oh, big scratches.
You are about to fall off the couch.
This is officially the most tired puppy ever.
That's a picture right there. Oh my God.
Oh, good girl. Nicely.
Oh.
Wanna go get?
shadow. How cute.
Some dogs bark at the Roomba. This one shuts it down.
Why are you gonna mess with the baby?
ทำไมชอบถ่ายรูปหนูว่าตอนที่หนูไม่รู้เรื่องอ่ะตอนนอนตอนกินตอนนั่งตอนยืนอ่ะมันไม่ดูดีเลยอ่ะไม่เข้าใจ
ต้องหอมอย่างเดียวจะกัดหัวปะอร่อยไหม
Where's the Emily? Where is she? Here she is. Hi. Good morning.
Oh, God.
It's happening again.
Oh, God.
Daddy, I know that you're not feeling well, so I will deliver the healing love. Just lie back and take it.
Big brain energy from the cutest little chonk. He calculated the physics and found a loophole.
Yes, we gotta go.
Come on. House is right there. Looks like yes.
Do you know that chipmunks have excellent fine motor skills in their front paws? Sometimes the battlefield is exactly where these furballs show up and find things not to their liking.
Good boy. Okay. Okay. You're okay. It's okay. Your mama, your
Are these two having a contest to see who can annoy the other person first, huh?
And who are you now? Oh my god, how cute! What are you doing there? Oh my god.
Run away, baby, before I put my bell on you. You better get away.
Let go. You're lost in the sauce nugget.
Maximum speed, maximum affection. Love makes dogs faster.
So Jeff loves straws. Get back! Jeff! Jeff!
Oh, you gonna scare him away, buddy? He smells your french fries, are you?
Oh yeah! Wait, what are you doing? Chewy, what are you doing? Oh my god, Chewy, what are you?
The piglets found the slide and immediately invited the whole squad.
Nothing hurts more than seeing someone else in your bed.
Hey, not everyone who hops is excited, buddy. That's just how toads are built. Don't interrupt her. She's very close to a breakthrough in canine physics.
Are you okay?
Yeah, get him.
Chilling off to blap, but still trying to look cool.
The sloth's like, hey, I was halfway through my 3-day commute. Put me back.
Ever wondered what manners look like in the animal kingdom? Let's see.
Not Buddy's trying hard to make a huge impression on his crush.
I'm gonna need you to start paying rent next month. Not with cash, in cuddles, okay? I'm gonna need about 6 hours of cuddle time per week, and there's a safety deposit too.
He doesn't want to play with you, Vicky.
Мужчина! Речь не можно быть.
Huh?
This video is proof of that.
Non mais j'y crois pas. L'autre il a pris ça pour un lit. Regardez-moi cet engin. Ça va, tout va bien. Ils ont fini la gamelle et ils sont endormis de peu. Non mais...
Hey, you do not pay your own vet bills. I pay them. What?
This is your mandatory IT department update. Halt right there.
Hi! Hey friends, get ready for some funny, chaotic, and adorable animal moments.
Baby goat is acting exactly like a toddler who refuses to leave their favorite person alone.
If life gets too exhausting, just stay close to the one you love like this buddy.
Listen here, you mother freaking cat. You back up.
That's their daily neighborhood watch meeting. How cute!
This is my baby cat. Not really a baby. This dude fat as hell. My bad, bro. We just be chilling. What's up, big dog? All right. Have a good one.
Raising cats before having a baby is a great way to practice putting kiddos to sleep.
Do you hear that? That means I'm doing something right.
Self-imposed challenge activated. The little bird is testing its limits.
The one who's always licking others' fur and chewing hair finally got how it feels like.
Look at that! He's so cute! Oh my god! Actually, they're probably hungry. Oh my god!
I love to get in sparkly dresses.
If you cracked a smile, smash that like button and subscribe for more laughs. He's not stupid, guys. Fawns are born scentless.
He does not know he's standing on a baby bear.
Bro lost the argument with the bathtub before the fight officially started. Australian shepherds can overheat quickly during active walks, so cool water feels amazing to them.
When your mouse decides your hand is the new VIP lounge.
Kaya, please. Oh my god, no.
Instead of keeping the kittens in line, this mom joins the chaos just to ward off postpartum depression. Those unlikely friendships are pure magic. Right, let's hit like and subscribe for more. See you soon.
he didn't just get adopted. He got upgraded to a full elephant family member.
Ni yuk ke ni dah. Duduk banget. Duduk banget.
Please sit. Good boys. Cletus twirls. Good boy. Cletus twirl the other way. Cletus twirl the other way. Other way. Good boy.
This is what happens when the game's too fun to end. When a foal lives by the motto, play hard, stop smart.
Hey, you wanna get in the tub? Can you get in the tub, baby? See ya.
How do I pet?
How do I pet? How do we? Oh. Okay. There you go.
Cats being famous for carrying babies really makes sense, doesn't it? I've got a super flexible body! Hey, Liquid Body's not joking. Easy peasy.